Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if you are open any app on your Windows 11 PC. After opening guys, the app is not closing from your screen. The app was stuck. So how to fix this irritating issue? Now in this video I am going to show you. So for this guys, I am going to show you 3 to 4 different method to forcefully quit your stuck application. So let's get started. So first thing is this guys, first method is this guys, you need to use this shortcut key. So hold alt key button from your keyboard. Afterwards you need to press F4 from your keyboard. It will forcefully close your open app. So if you are using the laptop, you need to use 3 button alt plus function key and then press F4. Okay, so it will close your open application. Still in case the shortcut key is not working on your PC, now you can try the next method. Right click on your taskbar and open the task manager, okay, like this, and click on favorite details. Here you can get your all open application on your PC. So just select your app and then here you can get the option and task. Just click on it. It will forcefully close that particular app. Okay, as you can see guys in my screen, the app is now closed. Okay, so this is the second method. Still in case you are facing same type of issue on your PC, now you can try the next method. Open your Windows settings. In the settings, from the left panel open apps, and in the right panel open apps and feature, or in some PC you can get installed app option. Just click and open it. Okay, and then scroll down and find out your app. Click on 3 dots and open advanced option from here, and then scroll down. Here you can get the option terminate. Just click on terminate option. It will forcefully close that particular app. So these are the 3 easy and simple solution to forcefully close any stuck app on your Windows 11. Still in case you are facing same issue, the app is not closing, at that time now you need to shut down your PC. This is the last and final solution. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that issue. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.